Hi guys, Niaje. Now I make custom rugs. On today's episode, you guys, we made a 9 by 9 feet carpet using a tufting gun all the way from scratch. But guys, before we got here, I want you to know this is where we started. Okay, we started today outside because the size of this rug is very massive, guys. It's almost 9 feet by 9 feet, so it can't fit in my frame inside. So I had to do all this work outside, which was measuring. First, so I had to create a grid, then I drew on top of it. The whole reason why we created a grid is so that we get to draw the image, enlarge it in size ratio perfectly. Then we brought it in and we did the first half of it, this part. As you can see, the top part is white, the bottom part is black. So you will see all these parts will change as time goes, or the pink part you'll see it will be at the middle later. So yes guys, if you're interested in making such wonderful, if not amazing, rugs for yourself, your business, your themed studio, your themed B&B, I got you covered, because I make custom rugs all the way from scratch using the help of a tufting, guys. And also, if you're interested in learning how to make your own wonderful, if not amazing, rugs for yourself, your business, I also got you covered, because I have tufting classes. Now please enjoy this video. Now I want you to know, on today's video we did not take 2 hours as normally. This is a long project, it's heavy. If you check now, even where the pink used to be has gone down, so which means we are doing it piece by piece or side by side, then moving the whole frame or moving the whole fabric, then attempting the other part. Yes, so yeah, for more videos. Now if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share it, tell a friend about my work, my rugs, and stay tuned. Now guys, if you're interested in making such wonderful, if not amazing, rugs for yourself, your business, your custom studio, anything, guys, I got you covered. Okay, so what you're seeing here going on is I had to do this rug in parts because my frame was smaller than it. So as you can see here, I'm moving the fabric to the left so that I can get to focus on tufting on the empty Spaces, yes. Now, this rug took time, guys. It took 3 weeks of making, 3 weeks, literally 2 weeks and 4 days. Yes, so it took time to make all this because it's a 9 by 9, guys. Duh. Yeah, but eventually I was able to finish it. Now, guys, if you're interested in learning how to make such wonderful, if not amazing rugs for yourself, for your business, do it as a small side hustle of yours. I got you covered because I have tufting classes for you where you just come as you are. Every machine and material I get provided for you during the classes, so all you have to do is just show up as you are. Yes, now tufting is a very fun, very friendly, very just a nice craft to learn and a very wonderful skill to also have. Yes, now guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it, tell a friend about my work, my rugs, and also stay tuned. Yes, and I am interested in doing more such sizes, guys. So if you have a very giant order, even bigger than 9 by 9, you know what, girl, now let you enjoy the rest of this video, guys. And if you have any tufting related questions or questions related to custom rugs, making carpets, yada yada yada, then feel free to just shoot it up in the comment section, in the DMs, wherever, whichever anyone works. Okay, yes, now let you enjoy the rest of this video, and please give me your opinions down below. Thank you.
Oh,